Previously on J&D on the Road.
Google Maps want to send us the whole long way onto the main roads. Instead, he said there is a little shorter way. Oh yeah, you cracked the engine.
Oh my god, I what?
You cracked the engine.
Oh no.
Yeah. Just an update on the situation on the bikes. Yesterday Jackie had a fall on the trail in the jungle and unfortunately hit the engine side hardly on a rock and cracked the case, so there is a small but substantial leak. So first thing, we need to wash everything today, get rid of all the dirt, dust, and then assess properly the crack, and hopefully I have some plastic metal that I can fix the leak and hopefully it will stay. Otherwise it's going to take a long time to get the parts, replace the whole side of the engine, but all going well, should not be necessary. So first thing, I'm doing a little bit of washing, artisanal washing, but that's as far as I could get here. In this area I couldn't get a proper power washer or anybody that has a strong power washer, so we ended up with one of these and just tap water. Then we have a degreaser for the engine and hopefully we'll have it clean enough to actually repair.
I knew Davide would have a plan. He's quite the MacGyver, and I think secretly loves the challenge.
Many uses of a toilet brush. When you can't get what you want, improvise. So hot. Look at that. I'm sweating like profusely. Jesus, a bit sticky. There we go. Remove this. Put the good one on it. Okay. Piece of a plastic bottle, a fork. As we say, when you don't have what you need, you gotta improvise. That should be sufficient. Then when it's set, give a little bit of a sandpaper finish. And the secret is not bang it again.
All right.
Ta-da! That should be the final product.
Super, looks good.
A little bit of a sandpaper job to finish it in the morning, and then we turn on the engine and we'll see what happens.
All right. Wow, I'm impressed. Look at this.
Like a new one. It's incredible what a bit of super glue and Gorilla Tape can do.
That looks really good.
Yeah, it looks pretty good actually.
Yeah.
You don't even think it's been fixed. It's kind of a symmetrical enough.
Yeah.
Pretty enough.
It does.
Now.
Will not break it this week.
Good. I'll keep you to that.
Okay. Since there was no point hanging around the hostel waiting for metal to dry, we decided to hit the town.
These shops are so cool. They're so colorful, full of everything, full of color, beautiful. We can't buy any of this though. No. And look how many people there is in this small village at night. Everything comes alive. Everybody eating, and the band goes on all the time. It's so cool. And everybody's in good humor, everybody's happy, everybody's smiling, dancing, eating.
And even at this hour of the night on a Sunday, the markets are still open, so you can buy whatever you want.
this town. So it's a new day and we need to see if my bike is fixed before we can consider going anywhere. So
the moment of the truth. So first of all, obviously, turn the engine on, let it warm up the oil very well for a few minutes, then put on the side stand and make sure everything holds when everything is nice and hot. To see where it's been.
I think it looks really good. It's really really smooth. You could have been a plasterer in for another career.
Yeah, maybe I have another career.
Yeah, bike mechanic?
Nah, not yet.
No.
But I have fun doing things.
Windscreen looks good though anyway, so let's see if it'll hold.
Yeah, I think this is... I like the final product.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, now everything is super hot. Looks all right. We drive today, we keep an eye on it, but it looks at the moment it looks very good. There is absolutely no trace of oil. The heat will actually reinforce the compound structure. So, all going well, J&D is on the road.
Super. Great.
Yeah, quite happy with it.
That's super. She's fixed. Got my boots fixed. So the plan today is to try and get to Santa Ana Volcano. We have a slight detour before we go there, but it's not as extreme. It's just a beautiful little lake we want to visit. And then hopefully we'll get the volcano hike done today as well. Whee! Better pack. Get ready to hit the road. I cannot tell you how relieved I was that Davide had managed to fix my bike. And now it was time to move on.
Let's go! J&D on the road has estado aquí. Carlos, muchas gracias. See you soon.
We said goodbye to Carlos and now it's Alco and hit the road. We set off early before the sun got too hot. We wanted to detour to Laguna Verde, a small oasis of sorts out in the countryside.
Let's go! Cobblestone, baby! Perfect road, perfect surface, nice and cool, in the shade. What else do you want? I didn't think there was a village up here. I had no idea what's he doing. Oh yeah. He's putting something on the road. I'd say it's to be crushed by the traffic so that they can get the seeds. Okay, I don't know what it is. It's like sorghum or something like that. I'm not sure. Yeah, on the way back we go through it. Amigo turista. Esta laguna. Espero no está. Okay. This is Laguna Verde. It's a small laguna in the middle of the jungle and it's really, really pretty. But the best part is no oil leaking, so definitely mission accomplished after driving about an hour. It's holding well.
Woohoo, that's brilliant.
Fingers crossed, there's not going to be any problem with that again.
That's brilliant.
Or else we sack the mechanic. Cool.
Right. Beautiful.
All right. Time to move on again to the next destination.
Okay.
Ready to go. Now go ahead. Yeah. Gracias. Buenos días. So this time we drive over it. Yeah. Hola. Yeah. Yeah, he's trying to. You see, he's banging it with the stick, so he's trying to get the seeds out of the kernel. It's a kernel, yeah. Cars driving up and down, they will help. Okay, now after Laguna Verde, we go to Cerro Verde. Finally, let's see if we get this volcano. Let's see if we can make it to the volcano this time.